heard about Andre's program actually through Mary Beth and through the FPP website when she came out with a list of classes for Florida school. And this is going back probably about 3 years ago, I believe now. And I saw the business of photography. Business is not something that it's not sexy, it's not exciting, it's not something that you would typically gravitate towards, especially as a photographer. It's not the artistic side of the brain. So that's when I knew this was exactly what I needed. Because from what I have learned is that owning a photography studio, your own business, is 80% business and 20% photography. This was the reason why I was intrigued by Andre's class, and although I thought this is not necessarily what I want to take, it's what I need to take. And let me tell you, that attitude changed within the first hour of that class. And when I read the class description and I researched Andre and his PhotoCoach system and his background, I knew that, again, this was really what I needed to do to take this business to another level. We did testimonials, and I remember standing in the hallway, shaking your head. And I just like cried when I was on camera, because when I said that, I remember I said that it truly changed my life. It made me look at not only business, but the business of photography in a completely different light, in a completely different way. And I knew that whatever, made me cry again, that whatever path I was going to take that business, whatever direction I was going to go, that I had everything I needed right there, at least at that point, right there in that notebook, and right here, and right in my notes that I had written, and the 5 days that I had spent, had really given me. There were so many keys, there were so many doors that were open, and it was all just right there for me. And I also knew that I had not only gained a connection with someone that I could refer to, that I could go to, that I could call or write at any time if I needed additional, advice or anything, but I also made a really good friend.